Today we're at the Onomichi station and we're gonna see cats and shrines and cats and more shrines and more cats and more shrines, and we're gonna have the famous Onomichi Ramen because Onomichi is famous for its cats and for the shrines that stretch on a very famous popular touristic walk of 25 shrines that you can visit here in Onomichi.
And now we got ourselves a map of all the shrines and all the cats here in Onomichi, and we can use this map to guide us along the way. Because smartphones, who needs smartphones when you have maps?
People are very fond here of maps.
Yes, and paper stuff, and stamping them your map with, at all the temples. So I'm gonna try to cover my map with stamps. Okay. Let's go! We are now ready. Very good ice cream. Tastes like watermelon. And the seeds are made of chocolate. Nice. Best decision so far. Now we are ready to see the cats. And just like that, we started our trail. That way.
With the first hurdle of the day. Very dangerous road. Very, very dangerous.
Very
Intensive trek.
This way.
Oh, maybe this way.
This way, maybe.
Maybe this way.
Maybe yes, maybe can, maybe not. We will see. Exploration. Hello. No, this way. This way. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, so we are at the starting point, which is this one, and time is 2:15. Let's see what time is gonna be when we end our trail on the other side.
There are 25 temples here on a 2.5 kilometer stretch, walk, a hike, a trek, however you want to call it. On one side and on the other side of this trek there are a lot of temples. So if you want to step inside for each and one of them, you can spend even like more than 2.5 hours, 3 hours, or half a day wandering on this trek. You have not only the temples, but you have like shops and galleries. You have like eating, maybe small huts and restaurants, people homes here. It's very, very quiet today because it's very, very hot outside and people are mostly going like resting or at work. You will have the feeling of a traditional Japanese village here, and you're gonna walk around traditional houses. And yeah, Michael?
13 or 14? Which one do you want to go?
I don't know, but I see some cats flying just there.
Okay, what does the map say?
What does the map say?
Map says no. Map says go forward.
Okay.
Okay, go forward.
We'll go forward then. Let's go. Yeah, see? Also the sign, the big... I think we're supposed to follow the concrete
Posts.
posts.
Yes, and sometimes the cats are crossing the street. Sometimes they are looming. There's supposed to be a cat alley somewhere around here. So now we're in a graveyard.
Here on the streets of rural Japan. Beautiful place. And this is another temple. Wow, like the tree. So pretty. Oh, just look at it. And sumo wrestlers. Maybe back in the day. Oh, just check out the hand. I think this is the hand of a sumo wrestler. Maybe it's connected with that thing. This is my hand, and that's the hand of a sumo wrestler. I think so. I'm just guessing here.
Small.
Small hands. But big hearts, you know what they say. Okay.
Apparently there is a maze around here, going up and down and up and down and up and down. And now we're supposed to go down to see our next temple, which is somewhere around the corner, which is the Kaifukuji temple, I think, I guess. And we have arrived on this bridge looking thing, and over the street, and Kaifukuji is this way. Okay. Okay. Kaifukuji, nearby the train tracks. You go, I think, this way. Up again. Yes. Kaifukuji, I have found you. And inside Kaifukuji, we have a machine which can tell us in English.
Kaifukuji Temple, G-Sect. The temple was established in 1328 by Saint Ta. Around 1828, there were 3 thieves in the Onomichi area. When the 3 thieves were caught and executed, the spirits of the 3 appeared in a dream to the chief priest of the temple. If you bury our heads and pray for us, we will heal all illnesses above the neck. The priest requested the heads of the 3 thieves be buried next to the main inner temple. Thereafter, miraculous healing occurred, and people continued to visit and offer incense at the gravesite.
Okay, interesting. So, if we offer here at the gravesite something, miraculous things will happen. Okay. Nice. Interesting looking temple. And we have arrived at the other one. English.
Hodoji Temple, Jyodo-sect. It is said the Hodoji was established as a Tendai sect temple during the Heian period. The main hall was built by the wealthy merchant Yahweh Mon Hirata, and it is said that the Amida Nyorai, or Amitabha Buddha statue worshipped by the governor of Mito provincial governor of Sado, was enshrined here. In 1428, a temple follower, Shunmei Nakashimaya, completed 1,000 days of prayer, with which the main hall was reconstructed. In front of the main hall is a 5-ring stone tower of St. Yukai-ikon that gives the atmosphere of the 14th century.
Hello. Do you speak English? No English. Okay. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, I wanted to ask her a bit about the place, but no English. Nevertheless, I think we have to head this way, right?
Yes.
There's also one of the cats.
It's interesting. I think they know how to make a good coffee and
Japan free Wi-Fi. Okay, since way back in the Emperor times, they had free Wi-Fi around here. Not bad, Gigi? Not bad. And a small looking shrine. Okay, interesting. Going up in the way. Okay, apparently we have to go this way. Good. Because up there on this heat, I don't think so. It's like 1 hour later since we started. I think we went like maybe 300 meters, give or take, going up and down and up and down and up and down. Pretty exhausting on a hot day. At least over here in this pocket you have some shade, and we can go forward, and you can hear the nice cicada bugs doing their thing and annoying the people around us. Okay, interesting. So far, nice Japanese village vibe. Looking forward to see the next temple and the cat, because this is actually the reason why we came for here. And I think let's go this way. Ooh, ninja and songs. Hey, kitty. Neko, Neko. Hello. Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. Okay. Ah, okay. Can I? Yeah. Ah, you need to find. Okay. I understand. Hello. Thank you. Gozaimasu. Arigato. Sayonara. Such nice cats. Very friendly people.
They're fugly.
Come on, Gigi, they were nice, and I don't like cats.
They're very ugly.
They're fluffy.
They're ugly.
Fluffy cat. Okay, and now we're at this crossroads where we can go either this way or this way. According to this map, it says Onomichi Hondori Shopping Street or Onomichi Hondori Shopping Street. Okay, or this thing, artist Hiyahi Yuko sketch point Gojo no Saki. I think going there, yes, to the big pagoda.
I'm not gonna go up there.
Pagoda. Going to the pagoda. Oh, Gigi, take a look at this view. Isn't it gorgeous?
Uh-huh.
Japan in the rural area is definitely something special. You have the cable car going up, you have the bridge, you have the boats, you have the mountains. Very beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
And also very hot. I can see your enthusiasm sort of dropping minute by minute and stair by stair.
It's very hard to breathe at this point, Michael.
Okay, let's go. Here we have a pagoda and we can relax at the top a bit before continuing. Gigi, I have found the cat. You like drawing?
Yes.
Can I see?
Yes.
Ooh, sugoi. Very sugoi. You also? Can I see? Ooh, okay, interesting. Line work. Nice, sugoi. Very good. Very good. Arigato. Gigi, we have to go this way, towards the cat alley.
Let's go towards the cat alley. Thank you guys.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay. So there's a lot of cat stuff here. There's a cave. There are cafes. And we have this nice looking place here with a lot of stones, music, one cat here, one cat here, one cat here, one cat here, more cats. Hello. Konnichiwa. Gozaimasu. Hey. Okay. Konnichiwa. Okay. Ooh, more cats. And the metal cat. And cat themed stuff. More cat themed stuff. And the cat door. think I have to open. No problem, I can close your door. Okay. You see the cat, Gigi?
I see the cat. What's going on?
No.
There's only cats out there.
Niahan.
You
Okay.
wanna go in?
I wanna go this way. Oh, here no. Here only for cats. Okay. Hey, Neko. Fat Neko. Yes. Let's try this way. Okay. We have a post office and a cafe kind of a place, sitting down area. Let's go check it out. Okay, interesting. Some cats, one more over there. We go this way. Welcome to all the cats. And we go up, 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 up. Okay. Oh, nice. Cozy looking area. You have AC. You have relaxation. I think we can take here a small break and then continue with the cats. What do you think, Marina? Break time? Break time. Okay, break time. Perfect. It's a nice view. It's a nice area. Break time. 3. Sun. Okay. Here? Can we sit at the couch?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Take one chair. Yes. Gozaimasu. My Japanese little. Very little.
Very little.
Yes. Chibi chibi. Chibi chibi Japanese. Okay. Good. We sit down and we enjoy the cat vibe. Cold window. Very good. Gozaimasu. Gigi, I found yourself a bunker. A cat bunker. I saw that you were literally dying of exhaustion and I came looking for a place to sit down.
Oh, and this is such a beautiful view. Such an interesting cat cafe. So many cozy spots and like hidden spots and so cool. Yeah.
Okay, I think I would go for a lemonade.
Lemonade.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Kanpai. Hit the spot perfectly.
Yeah. I'll wait for the lemon to kick in. Very good, very good. And it's a very beautiful place.
I see the
Feels
cat
so
pillows that you
great
guys
to
have
be
there.
here. Yeah.
Oh.
I feel so grateful to be here. Yeah.
Okay. Small pit stop to finish the lemonade and then see you on the other side.
A few moments later.
Hiroshima Carp uniform.
Hiroshima Carp. Yes. Hiroshima Carp.
Very nice.
Very nice. I've been to game. Hiroshima Carp and Nagoya Dragon. Yes, in Hiroshima Carp destroy Nagoya Dragon. Very good. Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much. And now, after being refreshed with a small lemonade, time to head back down towards the cat alley.
No one quite knows how Onomichi's horde of cats started. Was it lonely monks or a tasty port fish or like an unprecedented grouping of crazy cat people? Well, no one knows for sure. But all that matters is that here the cats are as friendly as they can be, and you will find them in a manner of places, like from the cozy streets here. They're sprawled across temple steps and on the city's rooftops. Hi. They're like even on the walking pathways.
And here you have a map of the cat. That's so nice.
A map of the cat.
Yes, and
Each cat with their own names. And the pictures. That's so sweet. And there are so many Fuyushi Neko, the lucky hands painted stone cats that are hidden throughout all these alleys. And it is quite a modern initiative, this one. It's dramatic views. It has like dramatic views and cheap rent, and it has a lot of artists, and these are very, very cute. I mean, there is an artist that painted this Fuyushi Neko, and he hid them throughout the area. Some people might think that even some locals or even some tourists, they added their own stones, painted stones, to the whole area. These places are hip lunch spots or cafes, art galleries, as you guys already saw. Where we had a spot here, we had a very quiet and peaceful relaxation spot for refreshments. And these kind of galleries and shops are hidden throughout all these small neighborhoods along the pathways. And cats sometimes show up and surprise everyone with their very unique appearance and apparition. Lots of cats. This is like a cat's lover's paradise. If you love cats, I absolutely recommend this very hidden place inside Onomichi on the very touristic trek throughout the temples, the historical walk of Onomichi. Oh, more cats hidden even in the, like on the highest spots of the temples here. Even more cats are hidden here. And owls too. That's a cat. Okay. Very, very pretty. Going up, up, up. All these traditional Japanese houses, all these like greeneries and stairs and small little huts and hidden alleyways. This is another small shrine here right in front of us. Very, very pretty too. People actually live here in peace with nature and the cats. Oh, so pretty.
Gigi, I think you would love it around here. I'm more of a dog person, not really a cat person. But then again, they're kind of cute. Maybe now it's sleeping time because I only saw in total, I think, maybe 10 cats. So, yeah, cool. Alley of cats. And now, the alley cats are asleep and we are going towards our next temple. And we have arrived at the temple. And this one has a nice garden.
Wow, why don't you look at this one?
I see the garden in the main building. And we have the cable car also. Very nice and quiet. And there's a big tree. And here we have some shrines, the lions, Here you can put some money in and take a fortune. And you can see inside the temple. No outdoor shoes, so this one has a turtle instead of a dragon. Normally there's a dragon who breathes out the water. This one has a turtle. And you have the lanterns in the big gate. Very nice. Konnichiwa. Okay. Maybe here we can find some information. Nope. Okay. There is some information, but it is in Japanese. Apparently there's a shrine inside. Nice temple. We don't know your name, but you are a very good one. Okay. So we came from here. And we have to go. Yes. YouTube. Hello. YouTube, yes. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Have a nice day. Okay. Interesting. Nice people. They don't know that much of an English, but very nice indeed. And now I think we follow the sign. This way. Gigi, the map is bigger than your head.
Many things are bigger than my head, my friend.
A lot of things are bigger than your head.
Yes.
I think this way. Ooh, this one is nicer. This one has a different kind of rooftop and some stairs. And I think that's the way to go inside.
This is the way.
This is the way? This is the way. Very good. Let's see how the temple looks like. I love this kind of archways and the small big gates in front of all these temples. They are definitely on the interesting side. Something that I've never seen before. And yay! We have a machine. Okay, we can listen about the temple.
Myosenji Temple, Nichiren sect. The temple was established by the Buddhist high priest Daikakudai Sojo Myojitsu in 1354. The main hall was restored once in 1708 and then rebuilt in 1782. A life-size portrait of Kiyomasa, the same one as the one enshrined in Homyoji Temple in Kumamoto, is enshrined here. This temple is one of the few historical sites in the Onomichi area from the Restoration period.
Okay, interesting. So there you have it. One of the few temples from the Restoration period. Which means, by the way, when the emperor got the power back from the shogun. Nice. Hello, konnichiwa. Which way now? This way or this way?
Where are you going?
Visiting all the temples.
All temples.
Yes.
So, yes, all the temples.
This way or this way?
This way going to Robley.
Okay. Not...
Robley is this way.
And
this
then
way to
we are
where are you going? We are here.
Here.
We are here.
Jikanji.
Jikanji. This is Jikanji.
Jikanji. Ah.
Okay, this way.
And this one is not Jikanji. Myosenji. Ah, and then Jikanji to the left.
Yes.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Romania. Yes. Gozaimasu. Sayonara. Okay, so now, after asking the nice locals, we go this way.
This is Myomanji.
Myojikanji.
Myojikanji.
Yes.
So it's high up here. Myosenji. It's Myosenji, this one.
Myosenji, Myojikanji, Onomichi, Onomiyaki, Onomiyaki. Oh man, these Japanese names are very much confusing. My brain is mush right now. But nevertheless, somehow we keep pushing and we keep asking and we keep finding more temples and more temples and more cats. And at the end of the video, we're gonna find ramen. I will promise you that we're gonna find the best ramen shop there is here. But before that, you have to wait till the end of the video to see if this is the best ramen of this village. That's supposed to be the one of the best ramens of this village. Ay, 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 ay. The sun and the cats are coming to my brain. And just like that, another temple. And this one is the Jikanji temple, and it looks very nice. Okay. And you have here one building, another building, a graveyard, a tree, and a very nice looking temple with paper walls. Okay, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. Maybe. Maybe no. Okay, at least you got a chance to catch a glimpse inside, because the door is definitely locked. Huh. Jikanji temple. Interesting looking one. Not that much English available, so we move on. Hello.
Hello.
That way, right?
Oh,
Forward. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
西川じゃん。
Yes, I think this one. Okay, arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay. And now we continue on our way.
Found it. Wow, this has been what, harder than Fuji.
Yes, at least in Fuji mountain you go up. Here you go like around and up and down and around the bend and everything else in the middle.
Oh, seahorse.
Okay.
There's a seahorse.
And now we can go to the left or to the right?
To the left.
To the left is Onomichi number 6. To the right is Nagae Chome Onomichi number 1.
Oh, we go to the 6, of course.
Yes, 6. 6 on the list, on the wall. Number 6, number 1.
Wow.
Okay.
We reach a more urban part of the
Village.
Onomichi, yeah.
You have already here cigarette vending machines. You have garages. You have Mickey Mouse. And you have smaller shops and quaint looking knickknacks that the guy here has. And
Oh, this way?
this way. Yes. Number 7. Okay.
Look, cats! More cats.
Ooh, okay.
More cats. You might go ahead. I'll meet you.
Okay.
Nice.
And some falcons. It's a very traditional Japanese looking area. This is so nice. And some fans. And some paintings. Okay. Nickels. And minions. Hey! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to whoever is living here. Okay. And the road, not here, takes us through over there. And also over here. There's something. I think here is number 7. And here is number 11. Ooh, this is a nice one. Yes, very nice one. And we have English.
Senko-ji Temple, Jyodo-ji. In 1630, the temple was relocated to its current site on the hill of Tanga. The temple became a member of Ikkei sect, which is a direct descendant of Honganji Temple. The main hall, made of Japanese Alcoba wood in Shishinden style, is so grand it overwhelms those who see it. The pictures on the Fusuma doors were painted by a woman artist, Yokuon Hirata. Its wooden framework with a carved dragon was the work of a master from Kyoto.
Okay, so there you have it. This is the temple, and that is the gate with the dragons that the nice lady was telling you about. Here we have the nice fountain with the dragon as well. We have more buildings, and this is one of the nice gates to come inside. And over there, somewhere in the distance, is the place where we started from. All the way back there, somewhere, somehow. Okay, interesting. I see one more there, so I think we should go this somehow, in a way, through these areas. We go up here. There has to be a way out through the cemetery looking place. Here. Bum, 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 bum. Yes. And now this way. Hey, looks like I was right. It actually is 11, and you thought that I am just making a silly jokes with 7-Eleven. Arrow says this way. So here we have another one. This one has some Buddha statues, has joysticks, has some monkeys, has a small house, and the arrow was pointing this way, so we have to go through the garden. Okay, more monkeys, and an ark, and we have arrived to the nice view over the city, and we found the machine.
Taisanji Shingon Buddhism. The temple has been called Tenjinbo from the olden days, suggesting a close relationship with Misode Tenmagu Shrine, located to the west. Details of the establishment of the temple are unknown. However, it is said that the temple already existed when Kukai, also known as Kobo Daishi, visited China at the beginning of the Heian period between 794 and 1185. During the Enkyu era between 1069 and 1074, Keibon of Saikokuji built many branch temples, and this temple was restored at about that time as well. Higiri-jizo is worshipped as the guardian deity for the realization of wishes, and many people still visit the temple to pray for their wishes to come true.
Okay, I think the main motif around these temples is you come here, you pray for your wish to come true, and it might come true. Very nice area. Gigi, out of all the temples that we visited today, I think this one is my favorite one.
Yeah, I agree.
It has this nice, beautiful garden, and you have the sun over there. You have here a nice looking old building with rabbits and with a frog playing a game probably, or drinking, or doing something. And has a very serene atmosphere. The only thing you hear are those cicadas, some dogs in the background, and two dodos telling you about the beauty of this place.
Sweaty and hungry and tired. Yeah,
And
I hope
looking-
you guys are enjoying it as much as we do.
Yes, looking forward to that ramen, Gigi, so much.
Me too.
Ay, ay, ay. This is amazing. This is Japan. Not the flashy lights and the colorful neon signs, but the nice and serene atmosphere of these villages around here. And the train is going in the background. Where are you from, if I may ask?
France.
France?
Yes.
And why did you come here?
I have time.
You have time?
To spend in Japan, and that's why
Okay.
I came here.
Oh, nice, cool.
Yeah.
Same for us. We wanted to come and see a village and temples, and we arrived here.
Yeah, I think it's really nice. I didn't expect that actually. Yeah.
Me neither. You've been to all of them,
Yeah,
or?
all of them. Yeah.
And these ones are you're going on now, right?
I have
side.
been already to the one that is behind.
The one over there.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So you started from there and going this way.
No, actually, I went from this way, and now I took the same way, but in the other.
Direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got lost a couple of times around here. I had no idea, but it's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice actually. Some temples are really beautiful. Like this one is really nice with all trees and.
Yes. This one so far is my favorite one.
Really?
Yes.
It's one of my favorite too actually. You know,
Okay.
there is a way to come here, and with the trees, it's simple.
And you have the view, the best view ever.
The view is perfect. It's amazing.
Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Simon,
Simon. Michael. Nice meeting you.
where are you from?
Romania.
Romania. Okay, nice.
Yes. Okay. Have a nice time in Japan and enjoy the village.
Yeah, you too.
Bye. Ooh, nice. You have a small building, a big red one, and another one over here. Oh, this area looks amazing. We came all the way up here. What do you think about this place, Gigi?
Eerie. Alone. I don't know how it's gonna be during at nighttime. But it's kind of eerie. It has a beautiful view over the whole valley here. There are a lot of pagodas, a lot of small little shrines and Buddha statues here. I think it's super peaceful.
Yes. I think this is the biggest complex of temples that we have found today so far.
On the trail, yes.
Yes,
It saves us some time, that's good.
yes.
A miniature garden city from the Middle Ages.
I think all the gardens here are from the Middle Ages, Gigi.
Yes. Middle Ages meaning the 13th, 14th century maybe, 15th.
Okay.
Tokugawa, 16th. Edo period.
Yes. Okay. Let's go up to the pagoda, because if you go up you have the best view and you have a nice experience than going down. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, this way. There's a garden. Ooh, nice looking building with paper windows. Some benches to enjoy the nice view. Some ticket office or something. And the nice black statue of the Buddha. Whoa. Kind of menacing, but from what I learned from Buddhist knowledge, you're not supposed to be afraid of the menacing statue. You're supposed to feel grateful that they are fighting away the evil spirits. Okay, interesting. And the road takes us over there, towards the pagoda.
Senko-ji Shingon Buddhism. The temple was established by Buddhist monk Yogi during the Tenpyo era from 729 to 749. In 1066, all of the temple structures, including the main hall and the 5-story pagoda, burned down in a fire. The huge straw zoris, or Japanese sandals, hanging overhead at the entrance were offered as a prayer for strong blades. As a state-sponsored temple, it grew to be the largest in western Japan, with over 100 branch temples spreading out to the Bingo, Bichu, and Aki regions.
Okay, we have here a small little garden with 2 Buddha statues, a tree, nice roof, a nice garden, the moon, very peaceful, very quiet. And now, time to go up through this tunnel all the way to the pagoda. So let's see what we find all the way up there. So far we have here some small statues. We have a Gigi.
When did you arrive here?
Quick as the wind. And we have the rewarding pagoda.
Oh my god.
Let's see if we can go inside. More small Buddha statues. Another one. I think this way because the Buddha looks close. Yes. Very nice. And I see our wall way over there. Let's see. This looks like a going around area. And this looks like a going around area. So let's see where the road is taking us. This small shrine. And there's a kind of a freaky dicky looking bamboo area going down there. I don't think we're gonna go this way, because it looks like if we continue this way we're gonna get lost for sure. So let's go back. And I promised you the view. So this is the best view of the entire place. And I see another temple over there, the big one. So I think through the miracle of time, poof, and just like that we have made it. This one is called the Josenji temple, and it's a big one, and it's made in 1525, and it has also a turtle here instead of a dragon. It has a main building way over there which is closed, and another smaller building around here, and I think the administrative side, which is this one. Okay, interesting. This one I think is the biggest one out of all of them, but definitely not the oldest one. Very nice looking rooftop, and the girls are already chilling there next to the bell. Gigi, what do you think? Shall we visit more temples or go for the soup?
I think we finished 3 out of 4, 3/4 out of 4. It's 6 p.m. and we still have 2.5 hours to reach back to Hiroshima. So
Go for the noodles?
yeah,
Ramen?
ramen.
Ramen?
Ramen it is.
Ramen it is? Okay, you heard the lady. Ramen it is. So we are in the ramen shop with 3 beautiful ramens in front of us. And coming here was a little bit of a challenge because we didn't know where to go. But as usual, if you ask the right people, in the end they're gonna help you and you're gonna find the best one possible.
So we eventually found out the Maruboshi ramen shop, and now we're gonna try it out to see how good it is.
The famous Onomichi Ramen, which is supposed to be the best ramen in the world. Okay, let's see. You have a pork, you have the noodles, you have the spring onions, very good noodles. Let me see the broth. Oh yes. Did you try?
I've never tried the ramen like this before. Onomichi ramen is the first one that tastes like this. It's,
Seafoody in a way, but not really.
I think it's pork soup,
It's fatty.
but it's very fatty and very...
It has a lot of fatty bits. It looks like this.
It's not like a rich one, but it's like... The taste is a bit more subtle than other ramens I've tasted, and this is really good. A little bit like char flavor. Very good.
Okay, let me try the fatty bits because I'm looking forward to them. Oh yes. Gigi, if we eat this whole ramen, our cholesterol is gonna go through the roof and we're gonna get big and healthy.
No regret.
Also, considering the size of this bowl is humongous, is this the best ramen you had so far in Japan?
It's one of the best I had lately.
One of the best, not the best?
I don't know, like, I'm hungry now, so I would probably...
Yes, at this point I would eat everything.
It's very soft, it's very squishy. It's very good. And the noodles themselves, they're homemade. They're handmade here. Super boiling hot. In case you don't see the steam coming out.
Yes. And what better thing to have on the side of your Onomichi than a nice beer. Cheers.
Kanpai, guys.
Kanpai, guys.
Kanpai.
Today has been a nice day. It has been full of adventures throughout the village of Onomichi. And we saw the temples, we saw the cats, and we had the soup now in the end. So that being said, time to go.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment for more interesting videos. And cheers to Japan. Kanpai.
Cheers to Japan. Kanpai. Onomichi.